Can you guys hear the rain? Can you see the rain? This is normal on the east side of Hawaii. If you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. It'll stop. In another 5 minutes, it might be raining again. And my big old softball sized avocado tree, coconut tree, fish size avocado tree, mangoes, papayas. Just to the left of that pagoda is the pineapples. Yeah. Got a lot of bananas this year. The red banana, apple banana. There's like 4 regular bananas at the end of the avocado tree there. Yeah, we can just live off of smoothies. Alright guys, have a good night. Have a good 4th. Everybody eat barbecue tomorrow. Yoo!